Let's learn how to buy and sell tokens using DEX Screener step by step. DEX Screener is not a place where you buy tokens. It helps you find tokens and see where they're traded. So here's how it works. Go to dexscreener.com. Search for the token you want, like Pepe or Bonk. You will see charts, prices, and where it's being traded. For example, Uniswap on Ethereum or PancakeSwap on BNB chain. Click the trading pair. Then, click the button that says Trade on Uniswap or whatever exchange it shows. This opens the actual place where you can buy or sell. Connect your wallet like MetaMask. Choose how much of your token or ETH you want to swap. Click Swap and confirm the transaction. Done. To sell, do the same thing. Go to the token page, click Trade, connect your wallet, and swap back to ETH or another coin. Always double check that it's the real token, not a fake copy. Look at the contract address to be safe. And that's it. Fast, easy, and you're in control.